morning YouTube. What we're doing today, hopefully, 200 miles in a homemade EV with a tiny battery pack. Hopefully avoiding a recovery truck. But we're going to pick up some more batteries. So when those are fitted, it should take us to about 26 kilowatt hours, which is probably, really don't think I'm going to get any more in this car without taking up the entire boot. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to Nuneaton, well, Inkley, I think, something like that. So it's going to take 2 stops to charge to get there, apparently, all being well. 1 charge there, then we're going to head back over to Leicester, and that's going to take another charge just because there's not very much in the centre of Leicester and I need a full charge after Leicester to get back home. So I'll be visiting my auntie in Leicester for a little bit, hopefully get a cheeky little plug in there. If not, I think there's a Tesco across the road that I might be able to get plugged in at as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and you're coming along. See you in a bit. We're here at the first charge point and it's working. We're charging away, no one else here. We've done 34 miles, went down to 40%. Yeah, I'm playing it safe. Currently charging. Oh, stopping. What? No, that's not good. Not good. That was a stressful hour or so. Well, probably quite up to an hour. Yeah, I had to hastily make some changes to the CHEDEMO implementation. I was getting reports of mismatched current, so I just quickly disabled that to get going. Not entirely sure what was causing that, but hey ho, we're charging now, so onwards. And we're back on the way to the motorway. Charged up 90%. As you saw, it wasn't uneventful, but you know, there we go. Yeah, so onwards to the next charge point at junction 23. Get a little tap up there, and then we'll head to Dodswell and meet Dom for the batteries. Catch you in a bit. Well, that was eventful. So Dom with the batteries that I was coming to meet ended up having to come to meet me at junction 21. The chargers there just didn't work, the Instavolts on CHEDEMO. There was also a leaf abandoned there. The AA man said that was out of charge, and it was touch and go, but I managed to squeeze to my auntie's. The battery was so low when I got there, it was below the minimum to actually start, so I tried to put it on the drive after and it wouldn't start, so I had to charge it on the street for a little bit and then put it on the drive. That's got me just enough to get to Loughborough and stayed by the Instavolt. This one's actually working. Yeah, stressful day. 1 more charge to home. Won't be doing as many miles as I thought now, seeing as Dom came to meet me. But there we go, done 106 miles today. Got about 70-ish to go, which is just over, well not just over, but quite a bit over 1 full charge. So, going to stop at the same charge as I stopped on the way down here. Hopefully that'll work. Yeah. I'll get back to you later. A long day, just going to Leicester and back. What time are we on now? 6:30. So 11 hours after I set off. I'm back on the charger that I charged on this morning. There's 2 at this place, 2 Instavolts. The one on the left hand side just wasn't working. There was somebody on this one, and when he left I moved over and this one's fired up and running. No idea, explain that. Anyway, I'm going to fill up here and then go home. I'll try and avoid doing this again. Yeah, I'll let you know if I get home. Me again. A couple of days since my trip to Leicester, and I realised I didn't film anything for the end of the trip. Yeah. Right. Okay. So didn't end up on a recovery truck. So that's plus. Did take a long time though. Really long time. Glad I did it. Just to giving it a go. I'm not sure I'd be wanting to repeat it again anytime soon. But yeah, I've since looked on Zap Map, and the issue that I was having at the first charger, or the last charger should I say, sorry, the one where Chademo, whatever it's called, wasn't working on the second unit. Someone had reported a month ago the same thing. So yeah, there is that, and the ones where the Instavolt units that I've had the most problems with have been I don't know the name, the big ones that go with a right clunk, as if there's somebody inside just with a big switch and the contactors go. I don't know if they've got some sort of common fault, fuse goes or something, I don't know anyway. So yeah, the other thing that was a bit of a pain, one of my planned stops that I forgot to mention was at a BP, and this was the one before the McDonald's that didn't work. I planned to stop there, and someone had just arrived just before me in an e-tron, and those have got massive batteries, so I didn't wait around and went on to the one in Leicester, the Instavolt. Now, had somebody not beaten me to that one by mere seconds, she was literally just plugging in as I pulled out, things might have gone a little better. But anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, I think there's anything else I really want to say. Just so while it is possible to do 200 miles on the motorway, I had a lot of it was on the motorway, in a car with a tiny 17 kilowatt hour battery, it's not fun. It really wasn't fun. I mean, yeah, maybe the trip down there was a bit fun, but yeah, by the end of the day I'd pretty much had enough. I'd definitely had enough. So yeah, well, there we go, that's what it is. Oh, I know. It looks like I've just reviewed some of the videos. I've done it again, and I seem to be messing with my nose a lot. I'm not taking a load of coke or anything. I've got a bit of a runny nose. So there we go. Goodbye. Until next time.